Explain the error control mechanism in TCP. So TCP is a reliable protocol. It is end-to-end delivery protocol. It is a transport layer protocol. So end-to-end delivery and reliability can only be achieved when you have proper error control. So when you are sending packet, and if there is a problem, there has to be some way to retransmit. How to know we have to retransmit? There is an error, or there may be other things. So TCP protocol has methods for finding out corrupted segments, missing segments, out of order segments, and duplicated segments. So it has all the possibilities. That is how the error control is important in TCP, because of the reliability it provided. So TCP is in order also. That is, if you are sending packet 1 and 2, it will be delivered in the order 1 and 2 only. It will never be 2 and 1. So error control in TCP is mainly done through 3 simple schemes, which is the checksum, acknowledgement, and retransmission. These are the 3 error control in TCP. Checksum is simply you have TCP header, body, and the pseudo header. So if header is there, there will be a checksum portion. So the header, the pseudo header, and the data is the hash value is generated, and that is sent to the server. For example, you have 18, you are sending say 17. It is not 18. So the problem is there is some error. So what will be there? It will be a retransmission. In TCP, there is an acknowledgement also. The retransmission will be done when there is an error, the checksum has fault, or the acknowledgement is not received. This is the packet once you send from sender to receiver. Now the acknowledgement you don't get. Acknowledgement is all about I got the packet. Now this is the acknowledgement. I am acknowledging it. So the acknowledgement is lost. So packet 1 will be retransmitted. The packet retries sending after some timeout. There will be some timeout or some other mechanism which sends this packet 1 again, retransmission. Okay. So this is where we actually see that this is also an error control, because packet is not coming. The acknowledgement is not coming. So the packet 1 will be resent. Similarly for other packets also. There will be retransmitted until you get the acknowledgement. So checksum, acknowledgement, if you have both the problems or any of the problem, there will be a retransmit. So the error control is all about when the packets are lost or the packets are damaged. So there are certain ways, there are different layers checking different kind of error control. So we have parity checks, CRC, Hamming code, various are there. And there will be a retransmission scheme also. So the automatic repeat request error control is also done.